In this video, I will show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is sign into your Cloudflare account. After being authenticated, I want you to go to Add and click on Connect Domain. Now, I want you to navigate to your Namecheap account, and I also want you to log in or sign up. After being authenticated, I want you to go to Domains. And here I want you to go ahead and purchase your domain that you want. But I already have a domain, so I'm going to go to my domain list. And once I find the domain that I want to use, I'm going to click on Manage. Now what I want you to do is copy this domain and then go to your Cloudflare dashboard and you're going to paste the domain here. Click on Continue. And here I want you to select the free plan, except you want to buy a plan there. And once we are at this step, we're going to scroll down. We're going to copy these two Cloudflare Nameservers to our Namecheap domain. Let's copy the first one. We're going to come to our Namecheap page and we're going to click on Nameservers, and then we're going to click on Custom DNS. We're going to paste our first Cloudflare Nameserver here, and we're going to go back to Cloudflare, copy the next one, and we're going to paste the next one here. Now we're going to go back to our Cloudflare and we're going to click Continue. Once we do this, registrars take up to 24 hours to process Nameservers changes, and we will email you once it's active. Now that's how you connect your Namecheap account to your Cloudflare account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.